it.
You gotta let me video that. I gotta get my phone.
You have more of those, Jason?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Buster doing?
Let Chrissy get her.
You want to go over there and try and bite it?
No.
What's Buster doing? Is he silly boy?
I don't want to do it.
I know. Why does Buster want to do that? Gunner doesn't even want to do that, does he?
Gunner, come here.
Yeah, Gunner and Teddy.
No, Dad.
You're getting worse.
Thinking
What
they're
the
old.
hell? Buster, wow, what happened to my fireworks?
This second box is nuts.
Boy.
Bet you in like 10 minutes those are gonna catch on fire and start.
Nice little show.
Look at Buster.
There you go.
Get him. Get him. Get him. Get it.
He's gonna fall over a seizure.
Poor thing. Oh, look at the fireplace.
Oh yeah, look at the fire.
Oh, wow, fire. Look, there's a fire in the fireplace.
Good boy, Buster.
All right.
I'm pretty sure it's not normal.
No, huh?